Jay here at MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach, and today I'm going to be walking you around one of the most impressive vessels by Grady-White, the 376 Canyon. Are you sure you can get all that in the camera? Look how big this boat is. Let's take a walk down the side here. You'll see the signature SeaV² V-hull design. Best ride in the market, according to JB Power Associates and anybody who's ever owned a Grady-White. I do like this color with Grady. They use subtle colors so the sun doesn't blind you when it reflects off of the delta. As we get to the transom, you can just see the massive beam on this vessel. It does have underwater lights, plenty of them, as well as the new triple 450 Yamahas. Let's go topside and show you some of the great features of this vessel. Here at the transom, you'll notice the signature Grady design with your fish box. It's a huge fish box that you can actually separate there. And this is refrigerated, so you can cool that down to freezing. Right here you do have a spot just to stow some things away, or access to the bilge if you need to get down there for any reason. You do see this flip-up bench seat here, which can easily lay back and give you this full transom area for as much fishing as you need to do. Over here we do have a raw water and freshwater washdown. And we move towards the helm, you do see twin live wells, so you can separate your bait for the different species you're going to be fishing for that day. This does have a freshwater sink here as well, which can be easily set down, and then you have a cutting board. Some of the little things, you do have some plier storage, as well as you can flip that down and use that as an extra bait station there. See the amount of rod holders here? You can pretty much bring every rod that you're going to need for the day, plus more. You do have a shore shade here, which is a big addition. This will come and cover the whole transom area. As sunny as it gets in Florida, that's almost a must. As we come around to the actual helm, you do see that this has a very huge addition here, Seakeeper. While you're out there fishing all day and you have that Seakeeper spun up, when you get back to the dock, you still have enough energy to go out for the night. As well as if you have guests that get seasick, this takes care of a lot of that. You do have the triple row helm seating here, and these lock you in real tight, so you're not going to feel the turns and things like that. You'll feel very comfortable being in these, and they are bolster seating, so you get comfortable in multiple positions. This does have the addition of a bow thruster as well as a phone charger, but with this Helmmaster EX, the bow thruster is just kind of an extra. With this, you can do stay point features, so you're not there trying to stay over a spot all day. So as the captain, you can also fish for the day and not have to worry about that. This is digital throttle and digital steering, about as smooth as it gets. As we come around to the starboard side, we'll take a look in this cabin here. This is definitely enough room to... As you can see, we do have a lot of niceties with the refrigerator, microwave, you have a freshwater sink, room for two to get out of the sun, lay down for a little bit. You do see some storage there for your toiletries, as well as a vacuum flush toilet with a holding tank. And as we spin around, you see the microwave, as well as some other nicely pointed features. Towards the bow. Right now we have all the cushions off. This is perfect for a casting platform here. There's multiple ways that you can actually set this up. You can move that up as a table for entertaining. This does have cushions, so everybody can be comfortable up there, or it could be a full sun pad. It is strong enough as a casting platform, and this middle part can actually come out so that you have more room to get to the bow for your fishing. As you notice here in front of the helm, you have a nice seat here as well, which can accommodate 2, possibly 3 people if you have a young child. And there is a cushion for this area as well. You have very nice bolsters all up and down the boat, so that if you needed to lean in and really reel that fish in, you'd be comfortable doing so, and you can just see how high these gunnels are. So everybody can feel safe on the boat while you're out there for the day. You have under gunnel rod storage, and you also have raw water and freshwater hookups here as well. This does come with the upgraded stereo system. You can see the sub here, and it does have an amp. Very nice sounding system. And one of the things that's not necessary, however, it is a nice addition to have, is this boarding door / tuna door, dive door, however you want to use it for the day. This does open up and it gives you easy access on and off the boat. If you'd like to take this for a spin, give me a call at 850-225-9797, and I'd be happy to do so.